Affiliate marketing with adult tube sites can generate commissions, but it's far from easy and comes with unique challenges. Here's a realistic overview. Fire the basic model. Adult tube site plus affiliate offers, like cams, dating, toys, or premium content, equals monetization through traffic redirection or content embedding. White heavy checkmark. What can work? High traffic niches. Adult content drives massive traffic. Monetizing even a small percent can work. Affiliate offers. Cam sites. Chatterbait, Strip Chat. Adult dating. Crack revenue. Adult friend finder. Toys and products. Love Honey. Adam and Eve. Methods. Embed affiliate banners, poplunders, or video ads. Create niche landing pages with SEO or paid traffic. Use watermarking on videos to redirect to offers. What makes it not easy? Compliance. Many affiliate networks have strict rules on adult promotion. Payment processors. Some platforms won't work with adult-related domains. SEO is brutal, high competition, low-quality backlinks, and limited white hat tactics. Ad networks limitations. Google Ads and Facebook won't touch adult content. You're left with less reliable ad networks. Legal risks. Age verification laws, in the US/UK, are tightening. Tips for getting started. Pick a niche. Focus on a specific kink, cam site, or product type. Join reputable networks. Crack revenue. Plug Rush. Juicy ads. AW Empire. Use tube scripts. Use CMS tools like Tubebase or Kernel video sharing to build your site. Monetize creatively. Try paid content, memberships, or email capture in addition to affiliates. Brain final thoughts. It's possible, and some make serious money, but don't fall for easy commission hype. Success requires smart niche targeting, tech setup, posting, scripts, TOS compliant offers, patience for traffic growth and offer testing.